fifth time trying to make this video, man. So let's see if the camera focuses. So you need this cheap lighter to make a crack lighter, and it's only called a crack lighter. I'll explain as I go. You need to have this little adjuster. You need to have these little holes, which you will see. The camera is gonna, I can tell it's gonna blur, but so I'll try to explain what we're doing, so that way if it does go blurry, you can see the parts. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take these holes on the top, we're gonna go down on the roller, and then we're gonna pull up to get the first holes out. And it's kind of like a heat sink. So again, I'll try to show you. So once you get the circles up, you now have this little square, and then there's another one right here on the other side. You're gonna want to, again, stick it in down on the roller and kind of push towards the wall, and then towards the other wall, push towards that wall. And then once that's off, again, go towards the roller, and then just stick it all the way down towards the edge and pop it up. Then it'll come out, and then that'll be part two. So as you see, the other two holes, and there goes the camera, went blurry. So you're gonna lift up this hole, and then you're gonna, or not the hole, the little, you know, these things. Wow, that's a great zoom. So then you're gonna stick it all the way in, push it off the wall a little bit, and then lift it up. So now what you're left with is this, and this is essentially the main part and what you're trying to get to. And then this obviously is the flint dust. So this thing you don't need anymore. You can throw this piece away, unless you want to put it back just as extra protection. But this is a true crack lighter. So right now it's on minimum, and that makes the flame go about this high, right? So what you want to do is you want to turn it all the way to high. Do not try this at home. From this point and beyond, do not try this at home. Try to skip some of those little cogs, and then push it back down, and then turn it back up to max. Lift it up again. Try to skip some of those cogs, push it down, lift it back up, turn it to max. Then what you get sometimes you might be putting too much gas, and that'll clog it. But yeah, so you have that, and then so yeah, that is a crack lighter. Do not try this at home. Like, subscribe, and follow 48 Sharks. I mean, subscribe to 48 Sharks.
Subscribe.